like snow a lot because they want coldness, and you see it's cold weather and beautiful scenery views. So there is sunlight also, sunset. As you can see, there is sunset and different views. I hope you enjoy this a lot. You see there is again in water they are swimming, and you see good fishes, and I hope you enjoy this. And there is also a whale, and as you see there is whale that is swimming. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and press on bell icon for the new videos notification. You see here is the whale. It will now come out. You see.